Every single note in your wallet carries a secret written in cotton, ink, and iron. This is how India prints its money.
Millions of notes, 40-foot presses, zero room for error. Welcome inside the Reserve Bank's fortress.
One side is simple combed cotton. The other side is sovereign legal tender. What happens in between is top secret.
From raw combings to a crisp 500 rupee note, this line turns raw security substrate into national currency in under 48 hours.
Banknote paper isn't made from trees. It begins with 100% long staple cotton fibers for maximum durability. Before a single drop of ink touches the sheet, the security features are already locked inside the paper matrix.
Cotton paper absorbs moisture instantly. The paper must spend 24 hours in climate control to prevent misregistration during printing. Master sheets are cut to sub-millimeter tolerances, so every future 500 rupee note sits perfectly on the printing grid.
Every sheet must weigh exactly 90 grams per square meter. A variance of 1 milligram triggers instant system ejection.
The color-shifting security thread isn't glued on. It is woven through the paper fibers like a spine. The inks are as secretive as the paper, formulated with magnetic particles and light-refracting pigments that defy copying. The raw paper is verified, conditioned, and loaded. Now, the transformation into national currency begins. Both sides of the note receive their intricate background artwork simultaneously. This alignment is impossible for counterfeiters to replicate.
Look at the light. Half the 500 is printed on the front, half on the back. Only perfect alignment creates the complete number.
Heat would shrink the cotton paper. High-intensity UV light cures the ink in milliseconds without disturbing paper dimensions.
Every edge line carries microtext reading RBI and 500. The system checks every line on every single sheet.
Now comes the heavy lifting. Intaglio printing gives money its unique tactile feel. Run your thumb across a real 500 rupee note. That raised texture is created right here under thousands of pounds of pressure.
5 raised bleed lines on the sides allow visually impaired citizens to instantly identify a 500 rupee note by touch alone.
Tilt the note and the number 500 changes from green to blue. This optically variable ink contains microscopic interference flakes. Hold the note at eye level and a hidden 500 appears. It only becomes visible when light hits the engraved ridges at an exact angle. The back of the note honors India's heritage with the red fort, printed with the same raised precision as the front. Heavy intaglio ink takes time to dry. Thousands of sheets ride this vertical carousel without touching one another. Up to this point, all notes look identical. Now, every single note receives its unique birth certificate, its serial number. The serial number starts small and grows larger, printed in special ink that glows under UV light and reacts to bank scanners. Microscopic camera sensors inspect every millimeter of every note. A single misaligned digit or ink spot flags the entire sheet. If a note fails inspection, it is digitally blacklisted. The computer remembers its exact position on the sheet.
A micro-thin protective coating shields the note from dirt, sweat, and oil, keeping the 500 rupee note crisp in your pocket for years.
1,000 sheets in this stack contain 40,000 500 rupee notes, worth 2 crore rupees. Ready for the cutters.
Human hands never touch the uncounted stacks. Automated robotic vehicles transport millions in currency through secure vaults.
High-pressure clamps hold 1,000 sheets frozen solid. The margin for error is 0. A razor-sharp carbide blade slices through 1,000 sheets of currency at once, like butter. With a final crosscut, individual 500 rupee notes are born. Every note measures exactly 66 by 150 millimeters. The cut stacks are separated into a high-speed single-file river of cash, traveling at 40 kilometers per hour.
Any note that received a flaw tag during printing is instantly blasted out of the line by a precise puff of air.
40 notes every second. Sensors verify optical pigments, magnetic ink, infrared absorption, and paper thickness in a flash.
100 notes make one packet, worth 50,000 rupees. Wrap tight with a computer-printed security band.
Heat seals the band permanently. If anyone tries to slip a single note out of this packet, the seal breaks. A laser engraves a 2D barcode onto the band. It records when, where, and on which machine this packet was built.
10 packets come together to form one bundle, 1,500 rubber notes, worth 5 lakh rupees.
High-tension plastic straps lock the bundle under constant compression, keeping the bills perfectly flat.
The entire bundle is sealed in heavy polymer shrink wrap, protecting 5 lakh rupees from water, dust, and air.
A robotic arm stacks 5 bundles to create a brick. 5,500 rupee notes, worth 25 lakh rupees.
If a single note out of 5,000 is missing, the weight check catches it instantly. Gram-level mathematical accuracy. An RFID microchip is applied to every brick. Now the Reserve Bank can track this money anywhere in the country.
Every flawed note is immediately destroyed. Heavy steel teeth shred rejected bills into microscopic dust.
Nothing is wasted. The shredded paper is pressed into dense fuel blocks used to power industrial plants.
Before the money leaves the press, it is loaded into armored security trunks built to withstand impact and fire.
10 bricks fit into one container. 50,500 rupee notes worth 2.5 crore rupees in a single box.
Every serial number inside this box is linked to an encrypted manifest. Dual audit sign-off is mandatory.
The heavy steel lid snaps shut. Once locked with this electronic seal, it can only be opened inside an RBI vault. Barcode destination labels mark where this shipment is headed. Regional RBI vaults across India. 4 trunks form one pallet load. 10 crore rupees in crisp 500 rupee notes ready for national transport. The money rests inside underground vaults behind 3-foot steel doors, waiting for dispatch under armed guard.
One last check by armed security officers. The seal is intact. The manifest is clear. The money is ready to move.
Special armored railway wagons enter directly inside the press walls. Trillions in fresh currency begin their journey across India. Numbers that power a nation. Today alone, this facility printed over 1,200 crore rupees with near zero defect rates. Every stack represents raw material transformed into national trust. From raw cotton combings to the sovereign currency in your 60 steps, thousands of tons of pressure, unbreakable security. That is what it takes to build a single 500 rupee note.